I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 11 to you, which is March the 16th through 22nd. It's giving directions and making plans. You're going to want to study pages 95 to 100 in your text. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to distinguish between the verbs ser and estar and know in which situations to use each. You should know what the irregular verbs ir and hacer mean and how to use them correctly in the present tense. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 5, and all of this week's work is due on the 19th of March. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor-made videos. You've got videos on ir and hacer and ser and estar. After you've watched the videos, then click on the class participation forum, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material covered in the videos or covered in class this week. But you have to post something, so if you have no questions or concerns, then just post you have no questions or concerns. You also have reading comprehension quiz 2, so when you're ready, you'll open it up and you'll see 2 different reading selections. Hit attempt quiz now when you're ready. The 2 reading passages are still here. You have some short answer questions, and then some true false based upon what you've read. When you're done, you'll hit finish attempt and it will come to me. You also have activities in My Language Labs. Remember, when you're ready, click on My Language Labs. It'll take you out here. You'll click on the course calendar, click on the 19th. Your assignments are going to pop up in the middle. Open up each one. You can do it as many times as you would like. All the assignments are on the calendar, even the extra practice. You can do them as many times as you would like. About the 3rd time, you'll get the right answers. But if you're doing it more than that, I suggest reaching out to me for help. You also have writing assignment 1, the final draft. Don't attempt this until I move the workshops down each week. So we are in the assessment phase. You'll be, when we're done assessing them, it will get moved down here and it'll be right above this final draft. When you open it up, you'll see critiqued by Jennifer Ray, and you're going to want to use that critiqued draft that I provide you, make the changes that I suggest, and then you'll be ready to open up the final draft, where you will then hit add a submission and paste in your final draft for writing assignment 1. So this just tells you, you're telling me your name, where you're from and your nationality, your birthday, where you live, physical description of yourself, some aspects of your personality, and at least 3 activities you do during the week. You also have oral dialogue 3. Again, it's up here. It'll get moved down to here, and all you'll be doing is critiquing someone else's script as well as I'll be critiquing it, and then it will get moved again to the 23rd when it's closed out, and then again it'll say like critiqued by Jennifer Ray, and you'll use that script to make your recording. And that's everything you have to do for week 11.